Well, it's the National Assembly, government buildings and flags of the Union of Comoros, the country of Comoros. Now, when you look at the flags, there's a few missing, quite a few. Northern Ireland should be on there. When I become the king of Northern Ireland, then give Norman Whiteside the real kingdom of the country. We'll be up there with our boys, but at the moment the flag of Comoros flies high, and at least they don't have any excremental countries in there. It's all decent stuff. I think the only real extremist country they've got in there is probably France. The others are quite national and loyal to themselves. So that is the Assembly of Comoros. Rock and roll. Northern Ireland flag will be there one day.